In the later years of his life, Subuktigin was no longer the fierce young warrior who once rode through the mountain passes of Zabul and Kabul. Age weighed on him, but his vision remained sharp. He strengthened his borders, secured his alliances, and prepared Ghazni for the future. But as illness grew, Subuktigin returned to Balkh. Here, surrounded by his commanders and family, he gave his final advice: protect Ghazni, keep justice, stay united. In 997 CE, the founder of the Ghaznavid dynasty breathed his last, and with his death came uncertainty. Before dying, Subuktigin had named his younger son, Ismail, as the next ruler of Ghazni. But his elder son, Mehmood, was a proven commander victorious in Khorasan, respected by generals and supported by the Abbasid Caliph. The court divided, brother stood against brother. Ghazni held its breath. Mehmood marched toward Ghazni with a seasoned army. Outside the city gates, the brothers finally met. The battle was brief, but decisive. Mehmood defeated Ismail, took him prisoner, and claimed the throne that destiny had reserved for him. In 998 CE, Mehmood became the ruler of Ghazni, a leader whose name would echo across Central Asia, Persia, and India. He expanded the army, strengthened the state, and prepared for campaigns that would reshape the subcontinent. This was not just the rise of a king. This was the rise of Sultan Mehmood of Ghazni, a conqueror whose legend was only beginning. At only 27 years old, Mehmood ascended the throne calm in his demeanor, fierce in his ambition. As soon as he became king, Mehmood reorganized the military. He strengthened his cavalry, trained new archers, and built one of the most powerful armies of the age. Besides military strength, he was not a harsh ruler. He dreamed of turning Ghazni into a beautiful capital, a city of learning, poetry, and architecture. Under him, scholars, poets, and builders flocked towards Ghazni from across Persia and Central Asia. Once his kingdom was secure, Mehmood looked outward. To the north were the Karakhanids, to the west, the Buyids, and to the east, the wealthy plains of India. In 1001 CE, Mehmood marched toward Peshawar. Waiting for him was Raja Jaipal of the Hindu Shahi dynasty. Both sides prepared for a decisive battle. In the Battle of Peshawar, Mehmood's disciplined cavalry outmaneuvered Jaipal's forces. The Shahi army fought bravely, but it could not withstand Ghazni's tactics. Mehmood won a clear and historic victory. With Jaipal defeated, a new era began. The gateway into India opened, and Mehmood's journey as one of history's most influential conquerors truly started. In the next episode, we follow Mehmood's early Indian campaigns, his battles with Anandpal, and his rise as a dominant power in South Asia.